Can people with diabetes consume avocado? This is a question that I receive very often, and in today's video we are going to evaluate the nutritional table and tell you whether or not you who are diagnosed with diabetes can be consuming this product. So enjoy. Watch until the end, because I'm sure you'll leave here learning more and more. And in this week's video we will talk about our little avocado friend. Can it be consumed by people with diabetes? So we will start by evaluating the nutritional table. Remembering that an avocado like this one weighs around 465 grams. Also remember that there is a seed inside, so we have to discard this seed here to get a correct idea about the nutritional table. Here, next to the nutritional table, we can see that we have around 8.53 grams of carbohydrates and 100 grams of the product, so this is something very good to observe. We have less than 10% carbohydrate per 100 grams. The product, then, is a very positive point. We can see that it only has 2 grams of protein, so it is a food that has very little protein. However, this is something we have to pay attention to. Here we have 14.66 grams of fat, so it is a more caloric food. It is a food that has a greater amount of fat. We can also see that 100 grams contain 160 calories. So you answered the initial question of the video. Can avocado be consumed by people with diabetes? And the answer is yes, of course. Avocado is very welcome for those with diabetes. It is a food that brings satiety, increases glucose very little, and so we can and should add it to our routine, especially breakfast and snacks. You can make an avocado smoothie. You can also make an avocado cream. You can also add avocado to a salad, and this way you have a very interesting variety to add avocado to your routine. Consume, add to your routine and enjoy. Comment below if you already consume avocado or if you were still hesitant, as you didn't know if avocado is welcome for those with diabetes. An important point is if you make an avocado smoothie, don't sweeten it. It's a vitamin with sugar, with honey, with molasses, with brown sugar, and so on. Add a few drops of sweetener, and it gets really interesting, right? So you can add avocado to your routine. Add it correctly, intelligently, especially snacks, especially breakfast, and this way you add a lot to your treatment. It is true. If you want to have a food, a product, a supplement evaluated by me, be sure to comment below, because that way I will add it to my list, and then your product that you will be recommending here could become the subject of a video here for the channel, okay? If you've been watching so far, be sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like, as it costs you nothing and adds a lot to our channel. Consequently, we continue to evolve more and more. Be sure to share this video, as it may be that the person, your friend, still has doubts about carbohydrate consumption, and as soon as they start adding avocado to their routine, then okay. So we'll stop here. Everyone stay with God and see you later.